Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with helpful tips and tricks for Windows 10. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of enabling search highlights in Windows 10. This feature allows you to see search results highlighted within the search interface, making it easier to find what you're looking for. Let's get started. Step 1. Right-click on the taskbar, which is the bar located at the bottom of your screen. This will bring up a context menu. Step 2. From the context menu, click on Search to access the search settings. Step 3. Within the search settings, you'll find an option called Show Search Highlights. Select this option to enable search highlights in Windows 10. Congratulations! You have successfully enabled search highlights in Windows 10. Now, when you perform a search, the results will be displayed with highlighted text, making it easier to identify relevant information. This feature can be particularly useful when searching for specific keywords within documents, emails, or web pages. It saves you time and effort by quickly pinpointing the relevant content you need. Remember, if you ever want to disable this feature, simply follow the same steps and uncheck the Show Search Highlights option. That's all for today's tutorial on how to enable search highlights in Windows 10. We hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Windows 10 tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.